sure, here's a full YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the Nokia Note 14 Pro, structured with a natural flow across introduction, features, exterior, performance, and conclusion, and written in a casual, informative tone up to 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the channel where we dive into the world beyond the fruit logo. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Nokia Note 14 Pro, a device that's shaking up the smartphone game in ways that are both surprising and refreshing. Let's get into it and see why this phone might just make you forget the usual suspects. First up, the Nokia Note 14 Pro is all about power and practicality. It's designed for users who want performance without paying a premium for branding. Inside this beast is a next-gen Snapdragon processor that handles everything from multitasking to gaming like a breeze. Whether you're editing videos on the go or just flipping through apps, there's zero lag and maximum efficiency. Storage is generous with options going up to half a terabyte. That means you can keep all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and heavy apps without worrying about space. RAM options are also pretty serious, giving you the muscle to run anything you throw at it without slowdown. On the software side, Nokia has kept things clean and fast. The Note 14 Pro runs on near-stock Android, which means no bloatware, quick updates, and an interface that just works. You'll spend less time tweaking settings and more time actually using your phone. Now let's talk about the display because it's one of the best features on this device. You're getting a large AMOLED panel with stunning color accuracy, deep blacks, and smooth refresh rates. Watching movies, scrolling through social feeds, or gaming all look insanely good on this screen. The bezels are barely there, giving it that premium all-screen look that everyone loves. Moving to the exterior, the build quality on the Note 14 Pro is solid. It's got an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass on both the front and back, which means it feels premium in the hand and can take a few bumps without shattering. It's available in a few bold finishes including matte black, Arctic silver, and a stunning deep blue. The edges are slightly curved for a comfortable grip, and the button placement is ergonomic and clicky in a good way. There's also an in-display fingerprint scanner that's fast and accurate. It unlocks your phone quickly and securely, no awkward swiping or misreads. Face unlock is available too, and it's snappy even in low light conditions. Now we can't ignore the camera setup because Nokia has put some serious work into it. The rear camera system includes a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens for those group shots or landscape photos, and a telephoto lens for zooming without losing quality. Night mode is impressive with sharp and noise-free photos even in dim environments. Video recording goes all the way up to 8K, and you get optical stabilization to keep things smooth. Selfies are handled by a punch-hole front camera that's tucked away neatly. It captures detailed shots with good dynamic range and natural skin tones. Whether you're shooting content for social media or just having a video call, the front cam does the job really well. Battery life is another big win. The Note 14 Pro packs a massive battery that easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. And when it's time to charge, you've got fast charging support that tops it up in under an hour. Wireless charging is also there, along with reverse charging, which means you can power up your earbuds or another phone if needed. Audio quality is top-notch too. Dual stereo speakers give you loud, balanced sound without distortion. Whether you're gaming or watching a movie, the audio adds to the immersive experience. And yes, it still includes a headphone jack, which is becoming rare but super appreciated by many users. Connectivity options are loaded. You've got support for the latest 5G bands, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and even NFC for easy payments and fast pairing. Everything is as fast and seamless as you'd expect from a flagship device. What's cool about the Note 14 Pro is that it doesn't try to copy anyone else. It's not trying to be flashy for no reason. It's smart, practical, and focused on delivering real value. It's a phone made for users who care more about performance and reliability than trends and hype. So to wrap things up, the Nokia Note 14 Pro is a serious contender in the flagship space this year. With its powerful internals, beautiful display, excellent cameras, and clean software experience, it offers everything you need in a modern smartphone and then some. It's a great choice for people who want flagship power without the flagship drama. That's it for today's video. If you liked this breakdown and want more no-nonsense tech content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Catch you in the next one, right here on FK iPhone. Would you like a shorter version of this for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels?